control. Oh no, don't say it's true. They got a message from the action man. I'm happy, hope you're happy too. I've loved all of needed love, saw the details fall away. The shrieking when nothing is killing, just pictures of trap girls and synthesis. And I ain't got no money and I ain't got no hands, but I'm hoping to kick because light is glowing. Ashes to ash and funk to funky. We know Major Tom's a junkie, strung out in heaven's high, hitting an all-time low. Time and again I tell myself I'll stay clean tonight, but the little green wheels are following me. Oh no, not again. I'm stuck with a valuable friend. I'm happy, hope you're happy too. One flash of light, but no smoking pistol. I've never done good things, I've never done bad things, I never did anything out of the blue. Whoa. Wanna next to break the ice, wanna come down right now. Ashes to ashes, funk to funky. We know Major Tom's a junkie, struck out in heaven's high, hitting an all-time road. Mama said, to get things done, you better not mess with Major Tom. Mama said, to get things done, you better not mess with Major Tom. Mama said, to get things done, you better not mess with Major Tom. Mama said, to get things
Yesterday, Dudley Punt married his tie bride, Ting Tong Macadang Dang. He wanted to make an honest man-woman of her. Today, they start their honeymoon in Belgium.
Sad news as well. Yesterday, that comedian died, Caroline Aheen, I think her name is. You know her. She was in the royal family. Sad that. 52 years of age, she died of cancer. Struggled with it all her life, man. Fucking tell you what, you listen to shit like that, don't you, and you go, fucking hell, man. Just enjoy yourself while you're here and smile. Anyway, it's a radio show. I don't want to get all sad and all that, but that was sad. That it was. I don't tend to go on Facebook and make big statuses like about people like that, but yeah, sad shit, man. Right, let's cheer up. Here's the Bee Gees, Night Fever.
Every
Right, guys, we have Kevin Critchley in the live lounge. Before that, I'm going to give you one more tune by The Bravery. It's called An Honest Mistake. Yeah, Kev's waiting. He's ready to go. We'll be back with you in just a minge. Unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best. Acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound, original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m. Meanwhile, back in the old ranch department. Righty, we are joined in the live lounge by the fabulous Kevin Critchley. Kevin, how are you, mate?
Hello, sorry, I've just done a big yawn then. It's not because I'm here, it just happened at the wrong time. But I'm okay, yeah.
It's I don't think we caught it. I don't think it went out on air, so that's fine. Where have you travelled from tonight, mate?
From Allerton.
From Allerton?
No plane journeys or anything like that, just about 25 minutes in the car.
Not too hard that you can on the line.
No, I didn't run over anyone to get here, so...
Sound. I was going to say, no, tonight you're going to be playing a solo session for us, but when you are playing live, you do tend to play in a band, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, I love doing solo and with the band, so it just depends on the gig. But obviously, playing solo, you've got the freedom to do what you want and kind of slow down, speed up, be quieter and louder or whatever. But because obviously with the band, it's more regimented, but it's a bit more fun with the band. Cause
of course, yeah. You can have a few beers and chill out a bit more, and there's somewhere to hide as well, isn't there?
Yeah, if you make a mistake, you can blame it on someone else.
Yeah, so with regards to the band, is it the Kevin Critchley Band? Or is it, do you have another name for it? Or
No, it's... because what it is over the years I've kind of formed a band, gone under a different name. It hasn't worked out, and then I've had to start from scratch again. And then a couple of lads in the band, they're in the band now, just said, why don't we just go under your name? You write the songs, we're not bothered, we're not after like a name thing, and it's just easier for continuity. So
of course, there's so many people that do that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Steve Thompson, The Incidents, Joe Sam's, and The Loving Kind.
Yeah, maybe I need a band name after my name.
Yeah, but I think that yeah, maybe. But I think that's the idea of it, isn't it? It's to sort of like, so you don't lose the legacy of what you've been trying to achieve up to that point.
Yeah,
it makes total sense, doesn't it?
But people go, "Oh, why'd you name it after you? Are you, do you love yourself?" I just go, "Yeah." Can't be bothered explaining now.
Just go. That's the way it is. Do you want to play the drums or not?
Yeah.
Now, you're a very busy musician, and you're probably a face on the Liverpool music front. What do you hope to achieve with your music, and what would bring you happiness at the end of the day?
Don't know. Tough one. I mean, I love playing. I'd love to. I guess I'd love to be more known around Liverpool and do bigger gigs. That'd be really nice because it's the home city.
Of course, yeah.
But I don't know. I love playing live. I love recording albums and stuff like that. But it'd always be nice to go and do a support slot with someone.
No Gallagher's High Flying Birds.
Yeah, he'd be all right.